start. First, you need to board tracks and wheels on your skateboard. Grip tape and a deck. So, put the board down and to figure are you funny footed or regular footed, you'll have to find that out. So think about if you're ice skating or something, run and slide. Which foot goes first? That's gonna be the same thing on your skateboard. Okay, so we know, now you know what foot you skate. Look for the words. You want the words to be facing the way you read, like that. So therefore, this would be the nose and that would be the tail. So you will stand on the tail, put your foot right here, like, I don't know, 3 inches from the nose. And that's the way you're gonna ride. To turn, you can lean forward or back, or you can go like this for sharp turns. You take all your weight off your front foot and leave all your weight on your back foot and just twist your body. So we got this to turn and this to turn. Alright, so before you learn how to skate like this, you wanna know how to push. So first off, you want to learn how to push by taking your front foot and putting it in the first 2 screws. Then you just push all the way to the end. And turn. And do it again until you get really comfortable with that. So, since you're really comfortable with that, just do 1 push and step. So just do a push and step. Now that will get you used to stepping back onto the board after you push. So when you're done doing that, you want to learn how to ride the board. And the way you ride the board is, let's just get to some, let's just go like this and take push. Like that. You can get in a nice stance like this, and then you just roll. When you're done with that, it's going to take a few days or 2, where you can take, step on the front 2 screws, 1, 2, and step on and ride. And once you get really good at it, you can go to other YouTube videos and tricks, which I will be doing a skateboard trick YouTube video here in a few days. Alright, see ya.